welcome to my YouTube channel. I am here today to show the plants that I got from my sister. I went there the other day and she got me some more plants, and I'm going to show you what plants she gave me today. She got too much and she said, oh, the wind is strong, it hurts my eye. But anyway, she know I like some other plants, and she thought since she do not need it, she got too many. She's not like me, I guess. She thought she buy me some and give me some of what she had that she kept for a few years at her house. I know I have so many of this. This is her peace lily. She bought herself peace lily and she got tired of it. And she got herself a pot, but she said, before I left the house, she said, you can have it. So that night, my car was filled with garden soil and potting soil, and I had to squeeze all these plants. These are the plants that she gave me. The peace lily. She also gave me I forgot what this is. Jade plants. Yeah. And she also bought my little son a jade for his birthday. I thought I want to share that with you. And she gave him the blue pot, and my son, he was really happy for the new pot that he got from his aunt. So I'm going to replant that, repot it today. My sister also bought me, I already have some. She also bought me this Philodendron. I think this is Philodendron or Monstera cheesecake. Not cheesecake, just whiz. I think I will double check the name of this. I am not sure because I didn't have very many of this. So I got new plants, and she also bought me a new Calathea. Show you. She got me a new Calathea, and I didn't have it. She know that I'm collecting Calathea. Another plants to add to my collection. And this one right here, this is a, what they call this, a bird something, some bird's nest. I forgot the name, but anyway, in Filipino, tinatawag po namin is a pakpak lawin. Lawin, I think, is eagle. Ang pakpak is wings. I have this plant right here. She also gave this to me. The name of this plant is Hoya. I told her that I want some cuttings. I guess she changed her mind, and it's not something that she's crazy about. So she gave this to me the other night, and she said, you can have it. My house is so full with plants. So I said, okay. So I'm going to transfer this to a beautiful pot. I might get one, you know, just a ceramic pot so that I can make it look beautiful. So that's the plants that I have from her, and I'm going to show you how to repot these plants. I have another pot right here to I don't know what to plant this in here when I bought it. I'm going to move these plants down the ground, and I'm going to start repotting all this or most of this so that you can see how I repot my plants. I have me potting mix right here. Yeah, I got me potting mix. I already got in this bucket, and I am going to make it more better quality, I guess, better don't know how to you say that. And I got me a sphagnum peat moss, and I'm going to mix that for my indoor plant.
Going to make a healthier growing environment.
make the dirt more healthier. Yeah, this is the sphagnum peat moss. Yeah, to make the dirt more loose so that it will not go compact and hard for the plants. And also this one is better for the plants. It's not really, there is no chemicals in it. I'm going to mix this. I will make my own potting soil. This is the way I repot my indoor plant. Today I do not have lava rock. I already used up a lot of my lava rocks. I normally put lava rocks in the bottom of my pot for the good drainage, but this is okay without lava rock. And that's how I make my own potting mix, make it healthier. I don't know if you can see that. Better quality, softer, compared than just the regular dirt right there. This is also potting mix, but this is not a Miracle Grow brand. Miracle Grow brand, I couldn't afford it. It's like $15, almost $16 a bag. So I bought my stuff on off-brand, my dirt, and then got me a bag of peat moss. I do not have a perlite, but this is okay. I was doing this for years and it's fine. The very first plant that I do not have the succulent dirt, but this is going to work. I'm going to transfer my son's Jade in this blue pot. He's so excited. I have me scissor. I'm going to cut me a piece of landscaping felt. I'll cut that, and then I'll put that there. Put the trash. Oops, go away. The pot is so big for this jade, but the jade they grow very fast, so it will not take long and take over the pot. So I'm going to do that, and I didn't fill it up, just like that. And this is the jade that she repotted. Oh, look, she put a nice potting mix in there with the lava rock also. And here's the jade. It's right here. I'm going to water that later. Look at that, isn't she beautiful? It's a variegated jade. My son was asking jade plants for his birthday, or yeah, I think birthday, and my sister, that's what she gave him for his 13th birthday. And there she is, pretty. I'm going to put that here. I'm going to water them later, and I will make another potting mix, and I'll show you. I'm going to transfer this in different pot. My I think either Philodendron or I forgot the name. I think there's a name right here. I will write down the name on the video to make sure. There you go. And some more of this peat moss. together. I like to play dirt. Yeah, every day I'm outside playing dirt. It's kind of life is not complete without my dirt. And I found me this old pot. I'll show you where to put that later. So I'm going to cut a piece of landscaping felt. Oops, sorry. I will cut it like that. Make sure that it fits right to cover the hole. Because if I don't cover the hole with every time I water the plants, the dirt is very messy. The dirt is coming out, and after few months, it's like the dirt, it's getting less and less. And my saucer that catch the water, it gets so very dirty. There. I'm going to put that. What's my trash there? I'm going to put that in this pot. I'm going to wash that pot later. You can see there's no hole there exposed. I put landscaping felt so that when I put the dirt, you can see the dirt is not coming out. Look, but there are 5 big holes in the bottom. That's how I repot my plants. So I am going to use the pot for this philodendron. I'll use this pot for some other plant. Right there. I think it's perfect. Look at that! I'm smart. Okay. So I'm going to fill up this pot with my potting mix that I made. Right there. Now she can grow bigger because the pot have more room for the roots to grow. Look, so pretty, just perfect. And I'm going to show you this pot right here. That's where she's going, and I'm going to put that there. Beautiful. And when she grow, I think this one they grow kind of like a vine. You either put the stick here. What I was planning before was I will have me a bamboo stick and wrap it with the coconut husk and let this one climb this way. But I will not do that. Since I have this beautiful planter, I'm going to let this plant go hang this way. And look at this. She is beautiful, my pretty philodendron. And I'm going to put this one. I'll show you also how to pot my bird's nest. Since I have plenty of this peat moss, I will put most of the peat moss in the pot for this bird's nest, because birds fern, they like to grow kind of like a mushy dirt in the wild. So I have this ugly pot right here. I'm going to cover the hole with a landscaping felt. I'm going to make like this again. Well, yeah, I'm going to cut like that. Oops. I think I missed the hole, but anyway, I have to make the this fabric wider. It's not straight. I did that on purpose, so because the hole is in the side. So I'm going to make it like that. You can see cover this hole right here. See this hole? I have to put the landscaping felt so that the dirt is not going to come out. Okay, now that is done, I will put more of this peat moss for my fern. I still put a little bit of dirt just for the peat moss to hold together. Got some dirt right there. And the quality of this dirt is completely different now after I mix that. And I have this ugly part. I'll put it right here. Make sure that the dirt is not going in between the felt and the pot. I got to push it gently there so that the dirt is not coming out. So right there. So there's no more dirt between the felt and the pot. I'm going to pull this fern. I think my sister used a wrong dirt for that. Okay, take that out a little bit. And perfect. I'm very smart. Look at that. I do not have to measure it. Just perfect height. I'm going to fill that up. I'm sure that this fern will love the dirt because it's not a thick or heavy dirt. It's very soft and loose, you know, for the fern's roots to grow. See, the fern, this type of fern, they grow on top of the tree, dead tree or a live tree, and they are hanging on nothing. You know, the roots just enough to stick on the bark of the tree or the coconut. So that is done, and I'm going to lay it right here. Voila! Isn't she beautiful? Pretty fern there. And that is done. I'm going to show you how to plant also my my peace lily. Yeah, she will stay there. I'm going to plant my peace lily. And my peace lily is right here. I'm going to plant in this spot right here. Put it there. Since the peace lily, this pot have a small hole in the middle, so I do not have to cut a bigger felt, just a little piece. Well, that way. I just get this piece right here, make that straight. There, right there. And my trash. And I'm going to add extra dirt for the peace lily. Make it a little heavier so that the water don't dry up very fast. It's hard to water when you have hundreds of plants in the house. Or yeah, I put my plants in the house. I do not have a greenhouse. My house is my greenhouse, and if I do not have room, I'll put it next to my bed and I'll kick out my husband, and he got to find somewhere to sleep. Did you hear that, honey? He's smiling. He's my videographer. Okay, and I'm going to put, this is the dirt of my peace lily. So I'm going to pour that right there. Transfer that lily. Perfect. Right there.
I would say I'm treated like dirt, but you treat your dirt better than you do me.
I sure do. You're terrible. But anyway, that's my peace lily. At least the dirt is not complaining. The dirt just sits there. He's not saying anything, right? Look at that. There. I did not fill up the pot with the dirt right here, so that when I water, the water is not going to overflow. See? Beautiful. That's my peace lily. And I'm going to repot my Calathea. So Calathea, I think they also grow in the wild, like in the ditch and the mountain, and they like to grow in a soft soil, moist and soft soil. The reason I say that, because I saw many plants like this when I was growing up. When me and my mom will go up in the mountain in the Philippines, because my dad, they have property in the mountain, and you can see lots and lots of plants there, like the Philodendron, Calathea, all kinds of indoor plants here in the United States that was growing wild, and people didn't really think about harvesting them or digging them and bring them down to where, you know, civilized people live. But anyway, and here in United States, those plants that I saw growing wild, they are very expensive. Really, when I made a trip in the Philippines, I sit down in the bus, you know, going to the airport or where I was going, my eyes is not looking ahead. My eyes is on the side of the road, in the window, watching all the plants growing on the side of the road in the mountain, and I was wishing, I wish I can chop that plant or I can dig it and bring it with me. But anyway, so I'm going to plant this Calathea in my new pot. I know in my previous video I have already pot like this. I like this pot because it's taller and it's cylinder. It will not take too much dirt. And here's the pot, and I got me a landscaping felt. I make another circle here to cover the hole, like that, trash away. And here's the hole of the pot, and here's the felt. Put that there. And oh, I do not have enough dirt for that, so I'm going to make another potting mix for my Calathea. There. And here's the dirt. Looks good. I'm going to like put some, do not have to fill this up, my pot. And I'm going to take this down so that you can see what I'm doing. It's right here. That's the pot. And here's my Calathea. The leaves are broken. Right there. Perfect. I think I will put that a little higher because after I watered the dirt a few times, it's going down. So I do not want my plants to sink all the way down. There you go. And I will do that. Perfect. And put that there. Hey, I do not have to buy plants. I have my plant supplier, you know. My sister, she likes to go check pot plants in big nurseries, and if she sees something there that I do not have, she'll buy it. So hey sis, buy some more plants. I'll be happy to repot it. And She likes to watch my video. She is my big fans. My cousins also, my friends, my classmates in the Philippines. Hello everybody! Thank you for watching for my YouTube video. Thank you for subscribing for my channel. I hope you don't get tired of following me. You are my big fans. I really do appreciate that. Salamat po mga kaibigan, mga classmate, mga friends, kaibigan, yes, mga kamag-anak, family members, relatives. Maraming salamat po sa pagsubaybay at pag-support po sa aking YouTube channel. I really do appreciate you all. Mwah! Appreciate you. And to all my classmates from elementary school, thank you so much. I have followers from my grade school. Okay, and I'm done with that. Hey, the leaves are yellow, so I'm going to chop that. I think it's old. I don't know. I guess I just leave it because it's kind of like yellow green. Look at my Calathea. This is different. Calathea, you know, Calatheas have different variety, and this one it's something different. There you go. She is pretty. I'm going to show you how to water with my new plants. I'm going to put this here in the ground so that when I water it, it's not going to flow on my table. And my I'm going to get me pot for my Hoya. I'll be right back. I am back. I found me a pot for my Hoya. I think it's a little taller than what I have right now, and I'm going to put it in this pot right here, just like that, to make it look beautiful in the house. And I'm going to cut also another felt. Oh, my landscaping felt, it flew away. Oops. Right here. Oh, this wire right here I got is from Calathea. That's for my peony. I'll make a ring for that. Sorry, you see all my trash here. Okay. I'm going to cut another cover for my pot. There's a hole there. Thank goodness there's no hole in the side, which is better. Like that. Oops. Okay. And here's the thing. And see, there are 5 holes there, and after I cover that, you cannot see the hole anymore. The wind is blowing my stuff. Okay, you stay right there, don't go away. Okay, I'm going to make some more potting mix for my Hoya, and there's not much left. My potting soil right there. That's how I do my potting mix. I guess everybody have their own. I'm not an expert, but I grow plants since I was a little kid. I started growing my own flowers, my own very own garden when I was in 1st grade. And after I went overseas, my dad was taking care of my garden. The last time I saw it, my garden, before my dad passed away, that was when I was almost 40 years old. My dad was taking care of that, and my dad was 85 when she left us. So yeah, my dad, he adored my garden. I think it's a piece of me that was left behind there since I left the Philippines when I was 21 years old. And I'm not going to tell you how old I am now. That was over 30 years ago. But anyway, there's my dirt. I'm going to fill my pot for my Hoya right there. Let me see if that fits. This is a challenge. I'm not going to repot this for right now. I'm going to let it grow there. Not good. Okay. I'm going to take this out. If you don't obey me, I'm going to use my shovel and pat you like this. Okay, I like to pat my pot.
How's that any different than the way you treat me now?
Not much. I got to change my stick. I will change that. It's very short. There. I can tell this plants is really, the roots are so crowded inside. Look at this. So big. I'm going to yank that. Don't feel bad if you break the roots of the plants. They can recover very quick. I'm very rough with my flowers and my plants. The thing that kills the plants when you overlove them. You love them so much until you kill them. I'm not very nice. Okay. Like that. Look at this. I think it's perfect. I'm not going to put back the old dirt. I'm going to throw that in my flower bed. And look at this. I'm going to push the dirt since there's a gap between the pot and my plant. Oops. Uh-oh. You have something to do here later, honey. You have to sweep the ground. Katulong ko po. Katulong means my helper. My servant. My servant is my husband.
When you said you weren't very nice, I should have said amen.
Okay. I think it's almost done. Push that there. Yeah. I'm not gentle to my plants. Okay. There. That's how I repot the plant. I think she's going to survive. And I'm going to show you how I water it. And after I'm done, I'm going to put this. Oh, this stick needs a longer one. I have plenty. Okay, I got my water here. I'm going to water all the plants that I finished washing, potted. I wash the dirt, give a good ring right there. And that, oh, this one here, there's a water in the pot. And okay, I have to water all that. Oops, all that. Wash it. And that. Okay, I turn off the water. Oops, sorry. Turn off the water. I'm going to pick this up, and this is the pot for my Hoya. Isn't she beautiful? Yeah. It's a little crooked, but I guess it's okay. Right there. Yay, she's pretty. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my YouTube video, and please don't forget to subscribe. I really do appreciate all your support and encouragement to me. I hope you can invite your friends to subscribe, especially my Filipino friends. Please support my YouTube channel. I'm doing this for the little children in the Philippines. I want to be able to be a help. Sorry, I'm catching breath. I was running that way. I want to be able to help them someday, so that some kids, they can go to school, you know, they can have their school supplies. Some of the children there, their mommy cannot even afford to buy their clothes, to buy their notebooks, their pencils, their bags, their shoes, uniforms. I want to do that for them. Thank you also to our pastor friends, the churches that supporting my YouTube channel. I appreciate that. Thank you also for the people that don't know me, that run across on my YouTube channel out there. Thank you also for that, every one of you. I really do appreciate all your support. Maraming salamat po, at sana di kayo magsawa sa pagpapanood ng aking YouTube channel. Thank you so much, and you have a blessed day.